We are here to open an innovative and up-to-date door to your living and business areas. As Isodoor Automatic Door Systems, we joined the sector in the Netherlands in 1992. After 15 years on the production and installation of garage doors and industrial doors, we started our investments with a production and management facility in Turkey since 2007. In 2009, we established a production and management facility of 5,000 meters squared in Kayseri Industrial Zone and achieved a standard that will meet the general needs of the sector and the company. We have started the production of sandwich panels in our own production facility by investing in a new production panel line on an area of 14,000 meters squared in Kayseri Industrial Zone since 2013. With modern technology, a strong team and innovative R&D studies, we have achieved a strong position in the international market and carried out many projects. In 2019, we continued our investments by establishing our Marmara branch in Istanbul with the aim of reaching a wider audience. We are proud to bring products with more than 50 different panel models and colour variety to the sector. As Isodoor, we have always put quality production among our priorities. In addition, we have included the distinguished brands of European automation products in order to meet the needs of the sector. As Isodoor, we are here for you with the first days of excitement and experience.